Hey guys, how you doing? I hope everybody's doing great. It's what is today? I don't even know. January 24th, 2017. And you see a little sunset here in the morning. It's about 7:27 in the morning, and I hope everybody's doing great. I'm on I-75 going southbound towards Naples, Florida. Hey guys, I want to bring up a few things here. And this is basically polishing, if you're going to decide to polish your Desert Eagle. If you've got a stainless steel Desert Eagle, polish it, guys. Look at my videos. You can polish it yourself. You don't have to pay $300 to $700, $800 for somebody to polish your gun. And a lot of times when they polish them, they will just like nickel plate or gold plate your black parts. And the nickel plating is like, it's not real thick. It's not going to be really good. It'll probably rub off. And gold plating is like one of the worst because that's such a soft material. So myself, I would just do it yourself. I mean, it'll probably cost you about $100. It will cost you to polish the gun, and then probably another $150 to get the parts chrome plated. So probably about $250. And if you didn't want to get chrome, you could get titanium gold. There you go, sunset. Nice, huh? So I wanted to bring that up, guys. So, that's a little short drive-by for today. If you got a gun, whether it's a 1911 or whatever it is, polish it yourself, boy. It's not that hard.